What is good, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your girl, Kiora Tashay, back with another video for you guys. I try to post at least every 5 days. I try not to wait no longer than 5 days, but sometimes it'll be hard because I'll be so busy, but I'm trying to stay consistent with you guys. And really, I think my only issue with posting is finding something to talk about. Even though it might not be related to my channel, I still want to share with you guys because at the end of the day, even though you guys come into my channel for a specific reason, I feel like I should be able to post to you guys with other things that I'm was going through in my life or things that I want to share, you know, fun stuff. And that's today, that's basically what this is. So today I had got my first pair of Crocs. I am excited. They're very comfortable. They're just like, look how cute they are, y'all. And I decorated them, and that's why I'm here today to show you guys how to decorate them, because I know it's still coming back. Like, the trend comes back and forth, and now it's like people putting little, you know, I don't want to say stickers, like little designs, little hatchets on them, I guess you can say. And I always wonder, where were they getting them? And girl, I had to do my YouTube searching for them, so I finally found them. So basically, I ordered, they're called Gypsies, I guess. Gyps, I don't know, it's gonna be there how to spell it. And they're called, it comes in the Amazon bag. I got them from Amazon, which is honestly your best friend for finding anything that you need. And they wasn't that much. They look like this. Y'all, I'll put a hole in the bag, don't judge me. They look like these. It was like $13, but you get 100 pieces. So honestly, that was the best deal because some of them were like $15, $20, where like you can put the hole in them. You see how where Crocs have these little holes? That's where you put the Gypsy. So I was like, oh my god, these are so cute, so comfortable. And I actually ordered my Crocs as well. They came like yesterday, and then I decorated them. I was gonna actually unbox it with you guys, but I was like, I have to wear them. I have to go because I got this jacket on because I have a hair appointment at 10:30. So I wanted to do this upload real quick because it wasn't gonna take that long. So basically, I just love them. They're so cute and comfortable. And basically, the way that you do it is you just have this little piece right here, and you just kind of like snap it into place like that. And then you can position it, you can twirl it however you want to. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, I think this is the easiest, cutest thing that you can do to some shoes, some comfortable shoes. And I always wanted a pair of Crocs because I was always procrastinating about getting some and just never had the time. I always lost track of going to get some or ordering some. So I ordered them off Crocs.com. They were only like 44 bucks. Like, and they also have an option where you can add the Gypsies online. That's what made me think, like, oh my god, so Gypsies is actually a thing, because the Crocs website actually have them where you can add some on before, you know, getting your shoes. Like, they'll be on for you already. But I'm like, they each were like $3.99 a piece. So I'll basically be paying like, what, if I wanted to get this many, I'm basically paying over like $20 to get some on both shoes when I can just pay $13.99 to get 100 pieces. That's why people have, see, I ain't gonna lie, these companies be trying to rip you off because they know that you can get it cheaper somewhere else. That's the thing that I'm not finna. Why I can't be stylish and look cute for cheap? I already paid $44 for these shoes, and you think I'm finna pay $3.99 a piece for a Gypsy? I think not. So that's what your girl did. Amazon always come through for me, and that's why I love Amazon so much. So these are so adorable. I love them. They're very cute, very fashionable, very comfortable, and they don't rip easily. They literally, you can bend them like and just slide them right on. Some people probably do have Crocs. I mean, I wanted to share that because I was always lost on how you guys were able to get these, or how I thought some people were actually making them on their own. Like, well, I know the companies that we order from Amazon, they do, but I mean, like, people that's in town from me, you know, I was like, I always wanted to ask them, but I was always too scared. So that's why I did my research, and I finally found them, And I got 100 pieces, so that means if I don't get tired of wearing the same ones, which I probably won't because I really love these the most that's on my shoes. The other one looks like this. Isn't that so cute? Ah. So basically this was like a review, I guess. A review plus how to design your Crocs, I guess you could say. And the easy way to get them. So 100 pieces, I can switch swap them. If I get another pair of Crocs, if I can get 3 or 4 more pairs, I'll have enough of Gypsies because I mean, this is a good deal. You can wear them, also you can wear them like this, but not many people really wear like that no more. I mean, some people still do, but it's just easy to wear them like this because it's easier to slip in and just go, and it looks cuter that way, personally to me. I look like a child if I put it on with a strap. So, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. For all my new subscribers or people that's watching this video, please go ahead and click that bell every time I get a notification. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel if it was detailed and you got some information from it, you know, anything in that case. I hope it helps somebody. For the ones that love Crocs, that a lot of people really love Crocs, and for ones that always wanted to know how to decorate them, I hope this video was very informational for you. And I hope you decide to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. When I get my hair done. Period.